Today we're tackling an issue that has been causing quite a stir among Toyota owners. If you own a 2019 to 2023 Toyota RAV4 or 2019 to 2023 Corolla, you might want to stick around for this one. Toyota, a brand known for its reliability and durability, has recently come under fire due to a significant defect affecting some of its most popular models, the RAV4 and Corolla. The issue? A problematic coolant bypass valve that could potentially lead to serious trouble for those affected by this alleged defect. If you own a 2019 to 2023 Toyota RAV4 or 2019 to 2023 Toyota Corolla, you could be at risk. Let's break down everything you need to know about this lawsuit and what it might mean for affected Toyota owners. So, what exactly is a coolant bypass valve and why is it so important? In simple terms, the bypass valve helps regulate the flow of coolant in your engine. When it fails, it can cause the engine to overheat, which is a big no-no for your car's longevity. The bypass valve is like a gatekeeper. It opens and closes to let the right amount of coolant through, keeping your engine at the optimal temperature. But when it malfunctions, it can either let too much or too little coolant pass, leading to engine problems. This alleged defect isn't just a minor inconvenience, it's a major safety concern. Reports have surfaced about the bypass valve causing sudden engine shutdowns while driving, which could be catastrophic on the road. Toyota has acknowledged the issue, but hasn't issued a formal recall, which has left many owners frustrated. Some have resorted to paying out of pocket for repairs, while others are demanding a more substantial response from Toyota. So, if you're a Toyota RAV4 or Corolla owner, what should you do? First, keep an eye out for any unusual signs like overheating or strange noises. If you notice anything off, get your car checked by a certified Toyota mechanic as soon as possible. Now, which Toyota models are affected by this issue? Models affected are the 2019 to 2023 Toyota RAV4 and 2019 to 2023 Toyota Corolla. If you are driving one of these Toyota models, you could be at risk. So that wraps up our overview of the class action lawsuit against Toyota over the coolant bypass valve defect. If you own one of these vehicles, it's essential to stay informed about developments in this case. For a deeper dive into this defect and to stay updated on the latest developments in this lawsuit, please visit the link in the comments section below. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, make sure to like and also subscribe to this channel for more helpful automotive videos just like this one. And be sure to check out mycarvoice.com for more automotive news and articles. And if you need advice with your car problems, post your questions at our new community forums to get the help you need.